Hello mga par, this is Respects. For today's video, I'll show you on how to put sidestand on the newest version of Honda Dio scooter. Basically, this is a scooter but they don't have sidestand yet. And to make your life easier to use when you purchase this kind of scooter, which is Honda Dio, so no need to worry because we prepare all the materials to make this real, as well as the comparison of the unit can be used for the Honda Dio Sidestand. And we have here the Honda Click Sidestand, the spring, and the calibrated sidestand bracket. And we have also the rear suspension bushing, 2 pieces, and 2 pieces 14mm bolt. And before we proceed to installing the newest side stand, we need first to remove the 3 pieces bolt on this side cover.